Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Singh and welcome to my first ever Java YouTube tutorial. First we have to open a new file and we can call it anything. Let's just call it hello.java. Press enter and this is a class declaration. The class name must be the same as our file name and we have to do everything inside a class. So now let's start. In Java, to run something, we need to make a main function. We have to make this function. It's called public static void main string args. And as you can see, a run or debug has appeared, which is good. Instead of writing all of this, which is a bit tedious, Visual Studio Code allows us to just type main and press enter, and this will automatically appear. So we need this function because in Java, our compiler will always have to search the file for this function, and once it finds this function, it will do everything which is inside this function. So to print something, we will always have to write system.out.println, and let's just call it hello world. And as you can see, it says unsaved. If you want, we can save it and run it, or we can just press run. And as you can see, a hello world is produced. In the next video, I will be talking more about variables and data values. So thank you for listening.